It's really about understanding those supplier controls. So when you are purchasing items that will not have a kill step, so if you're purchasing produce and you know that you're not going to cook that, which is typically a method of reducing microbial risk, then you need to go and make sure that those supplier controls are in place. How does it manifest itself? You're looking at the good agricultural practices, right? So you're looking at what is the water like that they are using to irrigate those crops? What do the septic systems look like? What are the hygienic practices that workers that are picking the products, what supplies do they have to make sure that they have great hand hygiene? Are they using gloves? What does that look like out in the fields when they're picking different produce? What types of training are you providing people to make sure that they are following those practices? And if you have employees that are ill, are you making sure that they're not working and handling the products? So those are things that are happening that are out in the fields that are part of good agricultural practices that you can ask a supplier to make sure that they are doing those things.